Dear students, very good morning, warm morning to you. And now we have started about the explanation, that is preparation of eye cosmetics. Already we have completed what do you mean by cosmetics, its definition, explanation related with the classification, functions of cosmetics, various types of cosmetics. In case of facial cosmetic, already we have explained about the powders, various creams which are used mainly for the process of cosmetic. Now our next important topic from the classification of cosmetic, that is eye cosmetics, while the various cosmetics which are applied on the eye, that is preparation of various cosmetics, that is preparation of eye makeup. In case of eye cosmetic, it includes eyeshadow, eyebrows, pencils and mascara. Now, these are the eyeshadows. What do you mean by eyeshadows? Various types of color compacts you are observing in case of your makeup kit, that is related with the explanation of application on the shadow, eyeshadow. So these are the preparation which produces. What do you mean by eyeshadow? These are the preparation which produces attractive, moist looking background of color to the eyes. They applied to the eyelids. Where it is applied eyeshadows, that is generally eyeshadows are applied to the eyelids for giving attractive and moist looking to the eyes. They are available in various shades. Generally, various types they are available. Eyeshadow creams are there, eyeshadow sticks are there, powders, pressed eyeshadows or liquid eyeshadows. Now, that is various types of makeup, eye cosmetics we are observing. That is first is eyeshadows, where eyeshadows mainly applied to the eyelids. And for which purpose they are applied? They are applied to produce attractive and moist looking to the eye and providing a background color to the eye so that overall attractiveness of face should be increases. Eyeshadows are available in different types, that is eyeshadow creams, eyeshadow sticks, eyeshadows in form of solid, that is powder pressed eyeshadows, and in form of liquid, that is liquid eyeshadows. Now our next important eye makeup, that is eyebrow pencils. EYEBROW, eyebrows pencil. These are the hard pencils which are used for darkening the eyebrows. Contains mainly black iron dioxide. What it contains? It contains mainly black iron dioxide. Manufactured by pencil manufacturer. Who manufactured this? This pen manufactured by the pencil manufacturer. Only they are available in black and brown color. In that contains high proportion of wax to make them hard so that they can be molded as a thin stick and sharpened to a point. Generally, they are given with like a pencil which is made out of iron oxide, and mainly they are manufactured by various manufacturers which manufacture the various pencils which are used for the writing purpose. Generally, same manufacturer manufactures the eyebrow pencils. Generally, they are available in two colors, black and brown colors, which contains high proportions of waxes so that it become hard and it can be molded as it sticks and sharpened to the eye. Mascara. Now the next important, that is mascara. Eye cosmetic, that is mascara. Generally, mascara is a black pigmentation preparation applied to the eyelashes or eyebrows to beautify eyes. Generally, mascara is available in a different form, so which is generally a black pigmented preparation applied to the eyelashes or eyebrows. Where it is applied? That is generally for application of eyelids. Generally eyeshadows are utilized, while application of eyebrow pencils, they are applied over the eyes, where it is generally contains, which is darkening the eyebrows, which is mainly used, which is applied to the, which is used for, which is mainly used for darkening the eyebrows, and generally they are hard pencils which contain the high proportion of waxes, so that it can be manufactured and molded easily and applied to the required places of eyebrows. Generally they are available in two colors, black and brown. Now the next third part of the eye makeup preparation, that is mascara. Mascara, what is mascara? That is, mascara is a black pigmented preparation applied to the eyelashes. It is used to darken the eyelashes or eyebrows and increases their length. It is applied with the help of brush. Mainly it is applied to the eyelashes so that it increases their length and applied with the brush. The types of eyelashes, the type of mascara, generally cake mascara, cream mascara, liquid mascara. What is it? That is cake mascara, that is melted wax it contains. Cream mascara, vanishing cream may be used. And liquid mascara, alcoholic solution with resin in which carbon black is suspended. Mainly carbon black is used so as to get the eyelashes generally black color and having the beautiful eyes, so that applied generally mascara is a black pigmented preparation applied to the eyelashes or eyebrows to beautify eyes. It is used to darken the eyelashes or eyebrows and used for increasing the length. It is applied with the brush. That is three types of eyelashes. Three type of mascaras is present. That is, first is cake mascara, second is cream mascara, and third is liquid mascara. Now we are towards the completion of eye cosmetic, where it includes, that is, eye cosmetic consists of mainly eyeshadows, second eyebrow pencil, and third is mascara. Will you remember, eyeshadow means they are applied to the eyes, hair preparation and translucent background of the color to the eyes, while the mainly eyeshadows are applied to the eyelids, while eyebrow pencils are applied to the eyebrows, while mascara is applied to the eyelashes, where three types of mascara is available, that is cake mascara, cream mascara, and liquid mascara. Now our next important and very interesting part of cosmetic, that is the lipsticks. Everyone knows lipstick, and every girl applied lipstick here itself. So what do you mean by why it is applied, how it is prepared, and what is the different functions, or what are the main specific purpose of lipstick? The lipstick most widely used cosmetic item by the woman, so as to give an attractive color and appearances to the leaf. Generally, what is the lipstick? Generally, most widely used cosmetic item by women to give an attractive color and appearances to the leaf. That is, it gives color appearances to the leaf. Generally, in that pigment, what is it? In the lipstick, that is pigments. How it is pigment? That is, pigments dissolve or dispense in fatty base. That is, fat waxes with suitable perfume. In that, pigments dissolve or dispense in a fatty base. That is, fat waxes with suitable perfume. Ideal qualities, that is, non-toxic, non-irritant, stable with both. What is it? How it is prepared? That is, the pigment dissolve in a fatty base, maybe in fats, waxes, or with suitable perfume. Ideal qualities. What will be the ideal qualities of lipstick? First important, it should be non-toxic, non-irritant, stable with physical and chemical, free from gritty particles, free from sweating, should not break easily. It gives shine and smooth appearances and maintain color of lips for long period and remove easily. Should not be break during storage. What will be the ideal qualities of lipstick? First important, it should be non-toxic, non-irritant. Physically and chemically it should be stable, free from gritty particles, so that whenever it is applied it should not give irritation or any type of hardness to the lip here itself. It does not produce sweating, that is sweating should be avoided, as it is prepared from wax, so it is necessary it is free from sweating. Should not break easily. It should be such a stuff that it should applied easily, not too hard to apply, not too scramble that it should be easily break whenever it is applied, so it should not break easily. It gives shine and smooth appearance and maintain color of lips for prolonged period, and it should be easily removed without the process of any hardness, and it should be stable on storage. Will you rememberize all these ideal characteristics? Okay. Now how will it prepares? What is its formulation? So consider that is its formulation consists of three main parts. That is, first is bases, second is coloring materials, and third is perfume, and fourth important, that is antioxidant. What is it content, or what is the formulation of lipstick content? That is first important, that it consists of bases, various types of generally oily fatty materials, waxes and mineral oils, vegetable oil, cocoa butter, lanolin, carnauba wax, beeswax, either waxes are used as a base for the preparation of lipstick, while mainly the coloring materials such as titanium dioxide, soluble eosin, halogenated derivatives of fluorescein, and tetrabromofluoresceins. These are the various types of coloring material. Which are these? What is the formulation of lipstick? Lipstick formulation consists of 4 points. First is bases, second is coloring material, third is perfume, and fourth is antioxidant. Will you rememberize? राहील लक्षात काय काय घ्यायचं आहे? दॅट इज फर्स्ट पार्ट इज बेस. बेसमध्ये काय असतं की मेनली various types of waxes along with the mineral oil. Should be mineral oil such as vegetable oil or various types of mineral oil, vegetable oil, cocoa butter, lanolin, carnauba wax, beeswax, etc. are used as a basis, while coloring material titanium dioxide, soluble eosin, halogenated derivatives of fluorescein and tetrabromofluoresceins, while perfume, the floral, fruity and light spicy fragrances. That is mainly the fruity fragrances and light spicy generally used as a perfume, while as it consists of various types of fatty acids. So it is necessary to add certain antioxidants which prevent the rancidity of the material. So mainly used to prevent rancidity, that is BHA, BHT, propyl gallate, etc. that is used as a antioxidant agent for the preparation of lipstick. One of the formula of lipstick, that is carnauba wax 1 gram, beeswax 15 gram, lanolin 5 gram, cetyl alcohol 5 gram, castor oil 60.5 ml, coloring matter and perfumes. Okay. Now our next important, that is the bleaches. These are the agents which are used to lightening the skin color. After observation of lipstick, now our next important cosmetic, that is bleaches. Bleaches mainly are used for the lightening the skin color. Lightening the skin color may be reducing by the providing by the pigmentation decolorides the melanin present or prevent new melanin from being formed, and they are also protect the skin from UV radiation. The bleach contains sunscreening agent which prevent reoxidation by UV light. Mainly various types of bleaches available in market, that is oleo bleaches, then mainly that is oleo bleaches, as well as bleaches from Garnier and various these cosmetic companies which are available in market. Generally these are the agent which lightening the skin color, and lightening of the skin color may be reduced by reducing pigmentation, decolorize the melanin present, or prevent new melanin forming being formed. It is also used to protect the skin from UV radiation. The bleach contains sun-screening agent which prevent reoxidation by UV light. In the bleaches contain skin lightening agent which are of following types: opaque covering agent, then oxidizing agent, mercury compound, and hydroxyl quinoline. That is opaque covering agent, that is titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, as well as talc and kaolin. Oxidizing agent, hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydrochloride solution.
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो
हॅलो.
मैं क्या क्यों चिमटा काट रखेगा माँ
काय रे चिमटा रे?
कपड़ा नहीं लगावा नहीं
काही बावडपण लेक्चर चालू आहे तरी મને તારો ફોન ઉઠાવનો પડે લેક્ચર કટ કરને.
हेलो